In this tutorial, I'll show you how to log cell references in Google Sheets using relative and absolute references so your formulas work correctly when copied. Start by understanding relative references. When you write a formula like equals B2 multiplied by C2 and drag it down, Google Sheets automatically changes it to B3 multiplied by C3, then B4 multiplied by C4. This happens because the references are relative, meaning they adjust based on position. Now let's look at absolute references. These are used when you want a cell reference to stay fixed. To do this, add dollar signs to the reference. For example, $2 means the row is locked. $B$2 locks both the column and the row. You can quickly apply this by clicking on a cell reference in your formula and pressing the F4 key. Each time you press F4, it cycles through different options, switching between relative, absolute, and mixed references. This is especially useful when you have a constant value like a tax rate or fixed price in one cell. You can lock that cell so when you drag your formula, it always refers to the same value. For example, if you multiply different quantities by a fixed price in B2, you can lock it as $B$2 so it never changes while other references continue updating. That's it. You now know how to control your formulas using relative and absolute references, making your spreadsheets more accurate and much easier to manage.